Okay, let's try this again. This is a better video. Okay. Now, this is the Fibonacci sequence. This is the number 1 using the Fibonacci sequence. Instead of starting off with the 1 1, I start off with the 0 1. 0, and it's the same number, right? Okay. Now let me show you what I mean by the... Okay, this is the first digit of each number in the Fibonacci sequence, right? Let me explain that to you a little bit better. With using a 5, using the same sequence, 0 5 plus 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 15 is 25, 25 plus 40 is 65, right? So you always end up with 0 5 5, 0 5 5, 0 5 5, no matter what. Back over here, go all the way down, 0 5 5, 0 5 5, no matter how far you go down, and no matter how big that number gets as you go down, it's always going to be 0 5 5. Well, the same way with this. This is 0 1 1. I'm not going to tell you or say the whole sequence, but it starts off this and it goes down 60 times. You add it up 60 times using sequence, right? And then no matter how big this number down here gets, these numbers will always be the same. It gets back to right there at 291. Then it goes back to 291,011, all the way down to 291,011. So if you take that and you fold it, and it's like a circle, right? Repeats itself. Same thing with this, 022. Same Fibonacci. No matter how big this gets down here, these numbers are always going to repeat themselves, except they only go down 20 times. Then they repeat themselves. And every single even number does 20, and every single odd number does 60, except for the number 5 only does 3. And once you get past 9, it's the same thing, same number as this, except for a 0 at the end. As you can see, it's 0 1 1 2. And then it would be just, so you could just cancel out those zeros, and it would be the same as 1. So I know that since this pattern exists in the sequence, that 0 exists right here at the end, and the fact that it repeats itself makes me think that this 0 is necessary in the Fibonacci sequence. No matter whether you use a even or odd number, it's necessary because it completes the pattern. The fact that the pattern exists necessitates the use of the 0 in the pattern. So please tell me what you think, because I've been wanting to ask about this for a long time, and really you're the only one I think that would understand it, if there's anything to it or not. Alright.